Riddle me this. If I drop a bar of soap on the ground, is the floor clean or is the soap dirty?
That's no. The soap is dirty. You have to rub it on in order for the floor to be clean.
Okay. Like a bar of soap drop on the floor. Is the soap dirty or is the floor clean?
Is okay. Is dirty?
There's no right or wrong answer. It's just how you perceive it. Anyway, okay. So the second question is, what you call a fish with no eyes?
I don't know.
It's called a fish.
Oh my god.
I got one question for you.
What's that question?
What you call a fish with no eyes?
A fish with no eyes? I don't know.
I have one question.
Okay.
The question is, what do you call a fish with no eyes? The one person that got it? Wow!
Hi, happy Tuesday. Today is conference day after school. Tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday we will not have school, so please don't forget and stay at home. Thank you.
I can't wait to get to school today. We're gonna have good lunch. We're gonna see our friends. We're gonna be in there hyped. I got drama club today.
I can't wait for school today.
There's no school today. I should have listened to the news hour.
Hmong New Year auditions are held next week on Monday the 25th for singers and Tuesday the 26th for dancers in Mr. Compton's room 303 after school.
We out here. Check 1 2 1 2.
Last Friday, Brent Snyder, a 1999 graduate at Patrick Henry High School, brought his drone to our classroom and took some shots for the news hour, and it was fun.